If you want to be beloved by Allah first, become beloved to His servants. The one who helps others is cherished in the eyes of Allah. If you seek the doors of the rich, also visit the door of the poor. For the rich may offer you wealth, but the poor give you their heartfelt prayers. Remember, the way of the Messenger of Allah was to sit with the needy, listen to their sorrows, share meals, and never consider himself superior. In the sight of Allah there is no superiority of the rich over the poor. The best is the one with a pure heart and sincere intentions. Whoever shares in the pain of others becomes a beloved servant of Allah. In our daily lives, acts of kindness create ripples that touch the hearts of those around us. Engaging with the community, lending a hand to those less fortunate, and offering companionship nurtures a strong sense of belonging. True wealth lies not in material possessions, but in the love and gratitude shared among people. The actions of a gracious heart reflect a deep understanding of humanity, showing that everyone has a story worth listening to. By opening our hearts to others, we cultivate a world where compassion reigns and every individual is valued.